Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around of our 2016 BMW M3 4-door DCT we have new in stock. I'm just going to walk you through some of the optional and standard features on this particular car. You've got a long list of optional features added from the factory, as well as some bespoke features added on aftermarket, but all fitted by BMW and are genuine BMW accessories. To begin with, on the exterior, you've got the Merino blue paintwork, the optional 19-inch 437M alloy wheels in black with a diamond turned edging, the carbon ceramic brakes with the gold brake calipers, and obviously the huge carbon ceramic discs, a £6,000 option from new. You've got the adaptive LED headlights at the front as another optional feature, the sun protection glass as well, with bespoke fitted privacy glass all around. Some of your genuine M Performance accessories consist of the M Performance exhaust system at the rear, which is a full exhaust system and not just tailpipe finishers. You can see the M Performance tips on display here. You've also got the bespoke fitted carbon fibre diffuser, carbon fibre rear spoiler, the bespoke fitted carbon fibre wing mirror housings, front bumper attachments, and front kidney grille surrounds. You've got a bespoke fitted front splitter, some of the exterior badging replaced with black badges, and also you've got the BMW badges on the front and the rear of the vehicle, replaced with some carbon fibre genuine BMW badges as well. The list of features continues onto the interior. Starting with the back passengers, you've got the mechanical roller blinds for both the rear windows. You've also got the heated rear seats, both of these optional features. You've got the Harman and Kardon surround sound speakers throughout the vehicle. You can see these being displayed on the front door cards. You've got the carbon fibre trim inserts throughout the vehicle, with these just next to the gauge cluster, on the dashboard area and throughout the centre console. You've got your leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel with your M Sport stitching and your cruise control functions and M Sport modes. You've got the heads-up display function and speed limit display, both as optional features. The sliding front armrest is an optional feature. You've got some of your infotainment controls on the centre console area, where you've got access to the optional online entertainment and also the optional Apple CarPlay through the centre screen area. You've also got access to the optional reversing camera from here and the optional park assist functions. You've got your drive selector with the carbon fibre trim on the top, again a genuine BMW accessory. The carbon fibre gear lever surround is also a genuine accessory as well. You've got the optional dual clutch transmission with the drive logic control button accessible just in front of this area. Some of your dynamic driving modes and your climate control functions accessible further up. You've got the red push to start button, which is also a bespoke addition. And then lastly, you've got the extended interior leather package, which gets you leather finishing on areas such as the dashboard and on top of the door cards. If you'd like to know any more information about this particular vehicle, would like to be provided with a video test drive or video walk around from one of our salesmen, please contact us through the number provided at the end or inquire for our website.